Welcome to 276 Albatross, the construction update and tour as of August 11th, 2023. Going in the front entry, downstairs will be the massive garage and storage area, two full car parking garage as well as storage area. We'll walk through that in the outdoor tour. And as you go up the stairs to the main entry living area, you see the wonderful views down the canal directly from the living room and the large outdoor deck. Sliding glass doors here. Sliding glass doors going into the dining room and kitchen area. Amazing view down the canal. Straight shot down the canal from the dining and kitchen large window. Back to the living area. We'll go into one of the accessory bedrooms here. That's own ensuite bath and shower. You see the electric service has been roughed in. All the HVAC systems have been roughed in. All the rough framing is done. Master large walk-in closet here in the first guest bedroom. There's a shared bathroom for the second guest bedroom as well as any guests. Here we have the laundry room, which is all roughed in. 200 amp electrical panel in the laundry room, easy access. The second guest bedroom. Closet. This home has been prepped for a future elevator. So elevator shaft is here. Before an elevator is installed, this will be a nice closet area, floor for a lot of storage. Here's where the hot water heater and other storage closet is. And past the entry stairs, we go into the master suite. This is the master bedroom. Again, sliding glass doors out to the deck with great views of the canal, the dock. The pool will be right off this corner of the house. Back into the master closet. And finally into the master bathroom area. There'll be a freestanding tub, shower and toilet, dual vanity of course, and great views out the window to Estero Bay.